Alright, let's have a look at the two different cycles in X3 matrix and how the payments are routed in the payout matrix. So this is your cycle 1. When you start, basically on each level it's going to work exactly the same. There's 14 slots on every level in every matrix board. So slot number 1 and slot number 2 goes to support your upline. Slot 1 goes up 1 level, slot number 2 goes up 2 levels. So basically slot 1 will go to your upline or the person that you registered on his link. Slot 2 will go up 2 levels above your upline. So it's supporting your upline first. And then slot number 3 is your first direct payment. All the green slots are on cycle 1. There's 6 that will pay you directly on cycle 1. The cycles look exactly the same. The difference is in slot number 4 and slot number 5. On your first cycle, slot number 4 gets held by the smart contract, held for automatic upgrade to the next level. If slot 5 lands, it will trigger the upgrade automatically. You don't have to do anything to get upgraded. Then if you have already been upgraded, then slot 5, I will explain that in the next screenshot. So if you haven't upgraded on to the next level, slot 4 and slot 5 will upgrade you to the next level. Slot 6 will be a direct payment again. Now slot 7 will support your downline. The 7, 10 and 13 will support your downline. So that supports your downline again. Slot 8, 9, 11 and 12 is other direct payments, goes directly to your wallet. And slot 14 will recycle you back into the same level. You already upgraded now to the next level. Slot 14 will only upgrade you or recycle you back into the same level again. So this will happen on a continuous basis. And there's unlimited number of recyclings. So as long as the internet exists, the smart contract will operate like that. Alright, it only needs your assistance and your action from your team as well. So now you've been upgraded to the next level and you are already now, or you're recycled into the next or the same level. Now you're on level 2 and it looks like this. The difference is that slot number 4 will now pay the royal pool, the weekly royal pool. It goes to the royal pool fund. And if you are already upgraded to the next level, slot 5 will also go to the royal pool. And but if you are not upgraded yet, then slot 4 will go to the royal pool. Slot 5 will be another direct payment, because this is the second cycle. You have already been upgraded. Alright, so slot 1 again will spill up 1 level to your upline basically. Slot 2 will spill up 2 levels to your upline's upline. And then 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 11 and 12 is direct payments to your wallet again. So it's 7 payments on cycle 2. And then slot 7, 10 and 13 will go down to support your own downline in your own structure as well. And sometimes it might happen that you will pay yourself, then those down spills will come back to you. But it's not always guaranteed. And then slot 14 will recycle you back into the same level again, and then the same process will happen all over again. Alright, so just for illustration purposes, you can see here slot 1 goes up 1 level, slot 2 goes up 2 levels, slot 7, 10 and 13 goes down to support your downline, and slot 14 is recycled position back into to the same level again. Remember, slot 4 and 5 upgrades you to the next level automatically. Slot 14 recycles you back into the same level. But there's unlimited number of recycles and upgrades up until level 12. And then you will just continue to recycling back into the same levels again. This process will happen until the last day that the internet exists. as long as there is activity in the smart contract. Right, so that is how the different cycles are working, and the matrix placements, or the movement, or the routing of the payments on the slots. So once again, let's just recap. Slot 1 and 2 is supporting your uplines. Now remember, when you are in that position, you're also going to receive that, because when these slots are referring their members, slot 1 and 2, which is your directs, their people is going to support you again. And the same is going to happen with people above you. When they fill slot 7, 10 and 13, is going to support you again. Right, so all the green slots, you will see it is exactly the same color on the dashboard as well. That is direct payments to you. The red ones are payments to your downline, and slot 14 is your recycle position. So that is how you understand how the routing works on X3. On cycle number 2, slot 4 goes to the royal pool, and if you are already upgraded, slot 5 will also go to the royal pool. If you are not upgraded yet, on the second cycle, slot 5 will go to the royal pool as well, and slot 14 will just re-enter you back into the same level. Right, so that is how all the levels work, and how this 14 position structure routes the payments to the wallets and within the smart contract. No one can make changes to this. This is managed automatically by the smart contract itself. Right, so that is how your payout matrix works on cycle 1 and on cycle 2. Right, so thank you. If you need more information or don't understand properly, kindly reach out to me. The link will be in the description, and reach out to the person that sent you this video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.